When creating your locations, there are three ways in which you can begin. You can either start from these ribbons here at the top by selecting Add and then going to Location, or you can come to the folder tree on the left and select the Locations folder from there, or you can come down to the Life Cycles here, click the green and white Start button, and go to Location here. Next, you can start by pre-populating all of the addresses for each location. Just give the address a name and fill in the appropriate address for it. Once you have the new address listed, click Save, and now you'll see that the new address has been added to the database. Now you can also start by pre-populating all of the types of locations you have. Just select Location Type. Now for the location type code, you can either activate a barcode generator and train the application to provide sequential barcodes, or you may want to just use an abbreviated method that'll be easier to recognize. Once you have the location code and the name listed, just click Save, and now you see that that's been added to the database as well. To add additional locations or location types, just click New, type in the location type and the name, and then click Save. Finally, you can also start by populating all of your locations by just coming to this location menu. Again, for the location code, you can either train the barcode generator to provide sequential barcodes, or again, you can use something like the abbreviated method shown earlier. And once you have the location code and the location name, you're going to want to select the type of location. Now there are three types given when you purchase the application, which would be pallet, moving, which is going to let you log information about a car such as the make, the model, the color, the VIN, and the license plate, or a stationary location, which is what we'll use for our example today. And that'll let you log information such as the building, the floor, the area, the shelf, what room it's in, etc. Next, you can select the address for this location from the drop-down menu, or if you don't see the address listed, click the green plus button and you can add the address for this location. Once the address name and the address are listed, click Save, and you can see that it's been added here to this location, and as well it's available in the drop-down menu. At that point, you can click Save, and now you'll see that the new location has been added to the database. And again, to add additional locations, you just click New and follow the same procedure. Now, the next bit of information I'm going to talk about is really for administrators. So if you're a standard day-to-day user, this may not apply to you. Now, as an administrator, you may find out that you want to add more data capture fields here than what are currently available. To do this, you'll first need to log in as an administrator. Once you're logged in as an administrator, you'll now see all of these user-defined fields here at the bottom. So let's say we want to rename this UD text1 field so that we can capture data for something. What you'll need to do is come over to the admin folder and select field control, or go up to the admin ribbon at the top and select field control from there. Now we can do a search in the current text. Once we're done with the search, we can select the field that we want to rename and then just select Edit. And then here's where we can rename that field. Once the field's been renamed, below is where you'll be able to select who can view and who can edit this field. Go ahead and apply the appropriate permissions there. And then once those permissions are set, click Save and say yes, you want to change this record. Now we can see that the UD text1 field has been now changed to cabinet number. Once the change has been made, the standard day-to-day user can then log in, go to the location form, and now when we choose stationary location, we can see that the cabinet number now is available and we can enter the corresponding data.